Hey traders, it's John Howell here from tradinginvesting4u.com, and in this video I'm going to teach you the 4 different types of flags. And the reason why I'm teaching you the 4 different types of flags is because we're seeing them right now on a smaller time frame. Today's date is, I think, the 13th of September, and this is just a bit of a view of what's happening right now in the market as well. Okay, so look at 4 different flags and exactly see how those flags are forming right now in the market as well. Okay, so most people out there, they teach only 2 different types of flags, right? A bullish continuation flag or a bearish continuation flag. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you 4 different types of flags, and yes, there are 4 out there, and I've only discovered these from spending hours and hours in the charts itself. Okay, so within that, before I start this video, I must say that I just please take this, what I say, as general advice. Okay, I don't know your personal circumstance or your situation, so I don't know where you're at or what you're doing, so just please take this as general advice only. Okay, it's absolutely crucial that is this, and because there is risk to all investing, so just make sure you understand that there is risk to trading moving forward. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's look at what we have on the board right now. Right now we're seeing on the S&P 500 small time frame chart, we're seeing a bearish reversal flag. Now, some of you might be going, John, what do you mean a reversal flag? Flags aren't reversals. Flags. Sorry about that. My phone just rang. So some of you just know about the reverse. So some of you know about the continuation flags, but some of you don't know about the reversal flags. Okay, there's 4 types of flags, and let me show you what they are right now. Okay, let me grab a marker here. And what we're looking at here is we're looking over here. Okay, we're looking over here and we're looking at this is the bearish reversal flag right now. And right now I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by bearish reversal flag. Okay, this is 4 different types of flags. Okay, so what do we have? We have the bull and bear flag. Now most people out there will only know this one here, which is a C and a C. This is a continuation flag, a bull continuation flag, where the market would run up, and then it'd start to go slowly down like this, and then suddenly it'd break out. This here, when the market runs up through here, and then slowly starts to step down, and then breaks out through here, that there is a bullish continuation. It's a bullish continuation because when the market runs up through here, it has a bit of a breather through here, and then runs back up. It's continuing in the overall upward movement. Over here, actually that's actually a bull flag again as well, isn't it? Over here we have the bear flag, and what do we have here? The market runs down through here, and then suddenly takes a bit of a breather and it goes up through here. Okay, and up through here. So what happens with that? What happens with that is when the market runs down, then slowly steps back up, it generally breaks to the downside, and what happens? That generally has a nice run back down. I'm breaking my thing here. This is definitely a professional editing right now, isn't it? Are on still? Okay, let's move on. Okay, so what we have here is we have the market running down, the market running back up, and this is a bearish continuation flag. Okay, the market's moving in an overall downward movement, so it's a continuation of the downward movement. Now that's a continuation, but have you ever seen flags that look like this one over here? This is a bullish flag, but have you ever seen flags that where the market runs up, and up, but then suddenly instead of going down like this here, it suddenly just slowly starts to step up like that? Well, that there is a bullish flag where the market runs up, but instead of going down, it slowly steps up again. This here is a bullish reversal flag. Okay, market steps up and breaks back down. I'll show you the charts in a minute exactly what it looks like, but I'm giving an introduction exactly how it works. Moving over to here, bear flag, we have the bear continuation. This is the reversal flag. This is a bearish continuation. This here, the market runs down, and suddenly instead of going up in this case, it goes back down. So it slowly steps down. That there is a reversal flag. So back over here we have the bear flag. This is a bearish looking, right? Because it's a bearish looking, but it's an actual reversal where the market goes down. It generally has a bit of a pop to the high side. Same for this here. This is a bullish flag, but what happens is the market slowly goes up. But this is actually a bullish looking flag because it looks like a bull flag, but it's actually a bullish reversal flag. Okay, so that's exactly what we're seeing right now on the charts right now, and exactly what we're seeing right now on a smaller time frame chart on the S&P 500 is we're seeing a bullish continuation flag. Okay, so without further ado, let me actually get to the charts, and I'll show you exactly how these patterns are forming, even on a smaller time frame chart. Now, some of you might be asking, how long do these actually last for? How long does the actual, if these are reversal flags, how long does the reversal last for? It's a reversal, remember. So generally, this is only good for a little time frame. So little time frame compared to the chart. So if you look at a weekly chart, it might only last a couple of weeks. If you're looking at a small hourly chart, it might only last a couple of hours before the sellers or buyers, depending on which flag you're looking into. Okay, makes sense? If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment or question below about this. But without further ado, let's get to the charts. Okay, traders, so what we're looking at right now is we're looking at the S&P 500, and we're actually looking at a bit more of a smaller time frame chart as well. And what we're looking at here is we're looking at an actual hourly chart, okay, looking at a 60-minute chart. And on this chart, we're going to be more focusing on the reversal flags, okay? Some of you may never ever heard the actual reversal flags, but they're very, very powerful, and I want to be focusing more on those moving forward. Now, I just want to open this chart a bit more. Let me actually go here, and let me open this chart a bit more so we can see exactly what's going on here. And I'll show you exactly how these reversal flags work. Okay, we know that we generally do know around about the continuation flag, right, where the market runs up, and then the market runs down through there. That actually equals more upside. Okay, and if the market runs down and then the market pushes back up through here, as we spoke about on the board, then that's a continuation flag to the downside. Okay, what happens here is the market's going up and it continues up. Market's going down and it continues down. Okay, so they're basically the continuation flags, but there's also reversal flags. And as said on the board, we can see that right now we have a couple of different things. Right, let me show you here. Well, the very first thing that we can see here is that we do have a bullish reversal flag, okay, where the market runs up through here. But as you can see, if the market's run up through here, but it's also just slowly and surely just stepped up. Can you see how that's done through there? And if I create a parallel trend line and put it up through there, we can see how it's also created like a bit of a channel to the high side. So what's actually happened? It's gone up through here. And instead of going down through here to give you continuation, it's gone up and it's slowly stepped back up. That there is a bullish, but a bullish reversal flag. And same on the downside, right? You can see here, markets ran down, markets had a big drop down through here. But then suddenly what happens? It gives you this little type of flag through here. Okay, gives you this little type of flag through here. We create a little parallel trend line. And we can see that we have this one through here. Okay, and you can see once again what happens. This is a bearish looking flag, right, where the market runs down, but instead of it running up through here, what happens? It runs down, but then it slowly steps down and then breaks to the high side. This here is a bearish reversal, okay? This here is a bullish reversal. This here is a bearish reversal, and they work time and time again. They work so well in the markets, and that's exactly what is formed right now in the market itself. Okay, you can see here now. This is, if I squeeze my chart a bit more, you can see this overall thing is a big bear flag. We've been talking about this for the last couple of videos. This here is an overall big bear flag on the daily chart. Okay, and that is still intact. But looking at the small time frame to getting in and getting out, it actually there's a big bullish reversal flag to be looking at here. And as you can see here, right, the market ran down through here, and this is just recent. This is the recent price action right now. You can see the market had a big run down through here. Okay, let me just do that. Big run down through there. But then suddenly what happens? You can see here, right? You can see how the market then slowly started the stair step down through there. Okay, and then created a parallel, and then it slowly started the stair step down through there. As we started the break up, this is now a bullish reversal. This is a bearish reversal flag. So you can see here, the market has gone down through here. It's gone slowly down. So instead of the market going up like the continuation flag, right? The continuation flag should go like that and then go back up like here. And that equals more downside. Well, as you can see, right, that didn't happen. This one here, what happened? It ran down and then created like a bit of a downward movement after the downward movement. And that there is now a bearish reversal flag. Okay, so that actually does, it's very, very powerful. You can see it actually ran out of the actual bear flag, and this overall big line through here, that is the bigger time frame bear flag. And you can see here, right, that this upward movement through here has created a pretty big significant spike on the hourly chart, and so it'll be very, very interesting to see what happens here moving forward. We can see that overall we still are using the 200 moving average is definitely still being a support and resistance line, so possibly we might be able to even see a retracement back up to there. If we have a look at the Fibonacci levels, let me just take this off and use the Fibonacci level up from here to here. Okay, and if I do that, we can see that the 50 to 62% level is right there. So that's the 50 to 62% level. And as we can see, the market's run down, had another run down, created actually a bit of a double bottom through here as well, and now it's running back up. So we actually could even get a bit more of a high side. Looking at the short term, this is okay. Yesterday's video was for the long term. Okay, yesterday's video was looking for the long term. This is the short term. It's came down, popped back up, and it actually looks like it's now ready to even get a bit more upside. But on an overall basis, please do not fall in love with the upside, because I do believe they're going to be short-lived within the market itself. So, traders, did you see those bull and bear flags, right? Quite incredible. Now, you've heard it for the very first time right here, right now. Every single educator I've ever seen and every single book I've ever seen on technical analysis only teach you 2 types of flags. But you've heard it here, right now, that there's 4 types of flags in the market. So make sure you keep an eye out for those flags. And this is just another tool for you to understand what's happening in the market right now. Because so many times I've heard so many traders come to me and say, John, the market is confusing to read. It's really confusing. How do I read it properly? And this is how these small little techniques, bull and bear flags, bearish reversals, continuations, okay, these patterns here really here to teach you and help you when it comes to these charts, because yes, it can be rough and tumble within these markets. Okay, so that's why we do teach these videos now. We're really ramping these up because I understand right now people are fearful and they really do need a leader to help, and I'm stepping up and I'm trying to lead and help you within your own trading, and so you can read the charts, because technical analysis is a roadmap to success, to my point of view, to success within the markets. Okay, so no matter what happens, okay, it's important to, when you take the confusion out of the charts, it's important to just look at the chart itself. See, as you could probably realize, I don't spend a lot of time looking at indicators. It's just the chart, and I analyze the chart, because the chart price, or the price itself, is absolutely king. Okay, so with that being said, it's very, very important to understand what's happening in the market, and that's exactly what we do here with the bear flags, with the continuation flags, and all that sort of stuff. We're here to give you and guide you and help you understand what's happening in the market right now. Take the confusion out so you can have a better understanding what to do or what not to do. Okay, for example, should I be in a trade right now or should I be out of the trade right now? You can see exactly what will do that by understanding the different types of patterns that the market gives you, so you can take the confusion out so you can understand what's happening as the market moves and grooves and flows through the actual market, and you can bend and flow with the actual market itself. Okay, so that's it for me. Make sure you come down to the website tradingandinvestingforyou.com, fill your name and email in. I've got a whole bunch of gifts to give you, VIP ticket to our next webinar, and so much more. Make sure you come down to our Facebook channel, which is facebook.com/share trading mastery, facebook.com/share trading mastery. We're giving away a free iPad too, so come down here and you might be in the runners up, and it might be you to win that as well. Okay, so anyway, make sure you do, if you are watching this right now, I do really appreciate it. Please leave a comment below. Okay, please. Okay, I just want to know you're alive out there. All right, I've been getting hundreds and hundreds of people watching my videos now, which is good and that's grateful, and I feel grateful. But please leave a comment below, whether you're on my blog or YouTube channel or whatever. Make sure you leave a comment below. I just want to know you're alive and you do really like these videos I'm putting out, because I really do think that they're great value. So please leave a comment below, and that'll be really, really good for me to know that you're alive out there. Okay, and talk about YouTube, make sure you come down to YouTube and hit that subscribe button so you can get the videos as soon as they come out, which is youtube.com/trading and investing. All right, I'm out of here. Make sure you have a great weekend, a great week. I'll be back very, very shortly with another video. and a leaving comment to say that no matter what happens, every single day, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and that is success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.